Listen closely. What animal makes that sound? Let's find out together. Does a fox say moo? No, that's a cow. Does a fox say woof woof? No, that's a dog. Does a fox say a special sound? Yes, a fox makes a special sound. Foxes can make many sounds. Sometimes a fox goes poo like that. Foxes can bark, foxes can yelp, foxes can make high sounds. Listen again. That's the sound a fox makes. A fox sound is special. A fox sound is unique. Not like a dog, not like a cat. A fox has its very own sound. Great job learning about the fox sound. Can you try to make a fox sound? Wonderful.
Now let's listen to something special. What sound was that? That's a fox. Foxes make a very special sound called a bark. Let's learn about the fox bark together. Does a fox say moo like a cow? No, that's silly. Does a fox say woof woof like a big dog? Not quite. Does a fox go? Yes, that's a fox bark. Great job. A fox bark is a special sound. A fox bark sounds like a quick, sharp bark. Foxes use their bark to talk to other foxes. They bark to say hello. They bark when they're excited. And they bark to tell other foxes where they are. The fox bark is high and quick. It's not like a big dog's bark. It's a special fox bark. Can you try making a fox bark sound? Let's try together. Wonderful, you sound just like a fox. Remember, the fox says, that's the fox bark. You did amazing learning about the fox bark today. Look at the fox. Do you see something fluffy behind the fox? Yes, it's the fox's tail. The fox tail is big and bushy. The fox tail is so fluffy and soft. Can you wiggle like a fox tail? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The fox tail is very special. The fox tail helps the fox stay warm when it's cold outside. The fox wraps its big fluffy tail around its body like a cozy blanket. Fox sound. The fox tail also helps the fox when it runs and jumps. The fox tail swishes left and swishes right. Swish, swish, swish. The fox tail can be orange, red, brown, or even gray. And look, the tip of the fox tail often has white fur. It's like a little white paintbrush at the end. The fox is so proud of its beautiful bushy tail. Can you say foxtail? Foxtail. Foxtail. Great job!
Look at this beautiful fox. What color is this fox? Let's look closely together. Is the fox blue? No. Is the fox green? No. Is the fox red? Yes, the fox is red. Red foxes have beautiful red fur. Red, red, red. Their fur is the color red, just like a shiny red apple. The red fox has a red body, red ears, and a red bushy tail. Red is the fox's special color. Can you say red? Red, you say red. Red. The red fox's fur keeps it warm and cozy. This red fur is so soft and pretty. The red fox is red all over. What a beautiful red fox. Red fox, red fox. Such a pretty red fox. Can you point to something red? Wonderful. The red fox loves its beautiful red coat.
Look, do you see something small and fluffy? Let's find out what it is. It's a baby fox. A baby fox has a special name. Can you say fox kit? Fox kit. That's right, a baby fox is called a fox kit. Fox kit, fox kit, fox kit. Is the fox kit big like mommy fox? No, the fox kit is very, very small, so tiny and cute. The fox kit has soft, fluffy fur. Touch your head gently. That's how soft the fox kit's fur feels. The fox kit loves to play. Does the fox kit play? Yes, the fox kit jumps and tumbles. So playful. The fox kit stays close to Mommy Fox. Mommy Fox keeps the fox kit safe and warm. The fox kit drinks milk from Mommy. Yummy milk helps the fox kit grow big and strong. Whoosh! Look at the fox kit learning to walk. Wobble, wobble. The fox kit is learning and growing every day. What a wonderful fox kit. Can you wave bye-bye to the fox kit? Bye-bye, fox kit. Great job learning about the fox kit.
Learning with you is the best. Click the screen to watch another fun story.